I remember my debut in '94 against Cork, waking up that morning and looking out and it was pissing rain, and I went, oh God, a goalie hates seeing rain.
For the last 18 years, his cousin Tommy has been Limerick's netminder, but now it's the turn of Joe Quaid to come in for his first taste of championship action.
Bhí Tommy Quaid an cófada son istócha grabhana sa McDini, céad, an lad eile, an céad lad eile, agus féach, Quaid eile bhí ann.
I remember walking behind the band and I going, oh Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
Harry Egan comes out, as ever to take the close-in breeze. That one is missed, and it's all it's so we're getting a measure of Luimnigh showing a great pace as well. Nicely inside here.
15 minutes into the match, we were down 2-4 to 2 points. And I think a fella stood up behind my father when the second goal went in, and next thing he took his cap off and threw it on the ground. He got, for fuck's sake, he said, would you bring Tommy Quaid back?